Hello, welcome back to Elijah's Origami Palace. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make the world record airplane. It's called Suzanne, that's the name of it. It was made by John Collins. He makes really cool paper airplanes. You can check him out on YouTube. I don't know if he has his own YouTube channel or not, but I know he's on Wired, which is a YouTube channel. So he shows you how to make this, so you can go check that out too, or stay here. So, the first step is folding this top edge to the side. And you use a piece of printer paper. You can use lined notebook paper. I just think printer paper works well. It works better. Now, unfold and fold the top edge down to the other side. Or you can use the edge of this crease to the corner and just put it at the end of this crease. Right there. Just like this. And unfold. You should have the X. And now you want to take this edge right here, the side one, and fold it along this diagonal crease. Just like this. Just like this, and repeat on the other side. And a tip is you can fold this corner to this, the edge, or the end of that crease. Should look like this. Now you're going to fold this flap down, not on this line, but you want to fold it down until this line right here matches up with this. Same on the other side. This crease lining up with the edge of the paper. And also you would be folding on this X right there. Like that. Just like this. And the reason we did that is because now we can fold these in with a crease already being there. Look, the crease is already there on the side that I didn't do it on. And then you fold this flap up, just like this. To lock everything in place. Should look like this. And now you're going to fold it in half with that flap on the outside. It's going to be really thick where the flap is because it's a lot of layers of paper. And then after that, this is how you make the wings. So, usually a normal paper airplane, you'd fold it to the edge And that's what we're going to do, except we're going to slide this until this triangle, until you can't see it anymore. And then it doesn't have to be perfectly to the point, but that's good enough. If you can still see it, like the tiniest bit, that's okay. It doesn't matter that much. And then repeat on the other side. Just like this. But your paper airplane's not done yet. There's a few more tips that you need. First of all, you need positive dihedral, which is these wings being slanted up like this. Because if there's no dihedral, if it's just flat, when it opens up, the wings are going to be down, and then it can tip over easily. If it has positive dihedral and it opens up, it's like still going up, and then if it tips to one side, it can tip back. So it'll help it be more accurate. And the last thing is you want to curve these corners to give it a little bit of lift. Not much, but just like that. So, because the air, it goes off of it, and it goes up, pushing the back down, making it fly up. You don't want to make a crease, just bend them. And then this is your new world record airplane. You can try it out with your friends. So make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye!